People are so weird about bully breeds. I was out with my dog and this lady pulled her kid in really close and was like, she looks like she could bite. And I'm like, ma'am, are you referring to Molly Moo Cow? Are we looking at the same dog? I don't think we are. My sister has bipolar disorder, and growing up, my parents didn't know that. They just called her overly emotional and gifted. One day, my sister and I were arguing about who was going to get to use the family computer, and you know your girl won that one. So my sister's like, this is not gonna fucking work. And she goes downstairs and gets my brother's airsoft toy and comes up and points it at me. And I look at her and I just laughed because that's hilarious. It didn't even have any aerosol in it, but she didn't know that until later. Anyway, so I laugh and